Hello kids! Well, now that you listened to the song, that song that says, Inky the mouse is my pet, she spilled the ink that got wet, the ink it spread all over the desk, ink is wet. Well, now I will show you how to trace the capital letter I and the sound E. Okay? Look at this. First of all, we have to trace a straight line from left to right, like this one. And then we have to trace a straight line from up to down, okay? And finally, we have to trace another line from left to right, okay? This is the capital letter I. And now I will show you how to trace the sound E. First of all, we have to do a straight line and a tail, okay? And then we have to do a dot. Yes? Now I want you to do the same in your copybook. Okay? Well, bye!